You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite.
Hey yo, T-Beats, you killed this one, no cap.
Ice cubes up in my cup. If it's spice, one pour it up. She's a bad influence and looking like one of us.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here. The app's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today, you know what it is. I'm back again with some more free pips. That's why I keep putting the caption there. I keep putting free pips, free pips, free pips. If you'd like to get into my mentorship or my signal group about any of these trades or anything like that, then please hit me up. The link is in the description below. In my mentorship, I actually go over the minor pairs as well as gold, as well as some of the indices as well. So you'll be able to capture a lot of these pips or have a broader aspect on being able to see so many different pairs doing whatever they need to be doing and pairs you might be interested in. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Okay, so we're back on my chart and you can see over here on the left I've got the daily time frame, and over here on the right I've got the weekly time frame. And you know what I do, I just give some technical analysis about where we think this pair could go towards. We can already see on Euro USD that, as I explained before, price might hit this level right here, which is 1.18946, and we could see a possible rejection going back down to the downside. So if we do see a rejection and we're seeing where price is going to go towards, which it is selling at the moment, we can expect price to go towards this area here. Our reason for price possibly going to this area here is because we can see, if we zoom in a bit more on the daily time frame, there's a wick left here, which is a bit of liquidity in the market. So 1.18045 is where we're looking at a possible take profit zone for this. If this pair does want to sell a little bit more, then we could see price selling back down to 1.17437. So Euro USD is looking like a sell at the moment. Gbpjpy, as we can see from Gbpjpy, price has hit 152.214, which was right here, which was a resistance area. We can see price several times has tried to break this area but was not successful. So price did go up on a weekly time frame and cover this liquidity here, and we are seeing the rejection. So if price does want to sell down and continue to sell down, then we should see price going towards around this area here, which is, let me just mark this out for everybody, should be around about here. So we're looking at 150.458. So if price does want to keep selling towards a down momentum, then we are looking at price going towards this zone. Gbpusd. Now for this pair, we did see it broke our resistance area, and there was another level of liquidity towards this area right here on the weekly time frame, but we can see that price did eventually go towards this liquidity right here towards the daily time frame, and it was on the weekly time frame as well. So price found a resistance around here and decided to do a reversal and sell back down. If we are going to see price continuing somewhere, then it most likely will go towards here or it'll go towards here. I'll just mark that out for everybody now. So we can see two liquidity areas on the daily time frame right here and another one right here. So price could go down towards these areas if it wants to continue to sell. Usdjpy, as I did suggest before, I said that Usdjpy needs to do some type of buy or sell. It is looking like it chose to do a buy to cover the previous week's liquidity that it left here, and it seems like it wants to buy up towards this area here, which is 110.773. So if price does decide to continue to buy, then we could be expecting a resistance either here, or if it wants to break this area and continue buying this week, then we could be seeing a resistance towards this area up here, which is 111.675. From there, then I would be looking at some type of resistance either here or here and be looking at a sell. For me, it looks better that it might go towards this area here and then we can find a sell. That would be a much better setup. If not, price can go towards here and then reject and go and clear the weekly liquidity down here. But right now I am waiting for this pair to do something very obvious, which is maybe an extended buy towards this zone up here. USDCHF. Now this is the same type of setup we have with Usdjpy. We are waiting for price to do a clear of the liquidities around this zone up here, and we're most likely looking at some type of rejection. Price could go to this level here and then straight away reject, which is 0.92426, or we could see a continuation of a buy up towards this area here where there is weekly liquidity, which is 94729, 0.94729. We could see a buy up towards this area, then a reversal there. So you're still waiting for this pair to play out, just like Usdjpy. AUD USD. Now we can see that what price did is it went to go clear the liquidity that was left here before that we did mention on the last video, and then we could be seeing a possible reversal, and this is what we have seen right here. So we've seen a reversal from the area 0.74801, and now we're looking at a possible sell down towards this area here. We can see that there's a weekly level of liquidity around about 0.72701. That's what we'll be looking for. So if price does want to continue to sell, then we'll be looking at some type of overall TP area around about here. Usdcad. Now what we are seeing is a beautiful reversal that did happen here. Price didn't go and clear this liquidity all the way down here, but it did choose to go towards this one here, which was around 1.24902, and we can see that price then reversed and decided to buy up. So if we are seeing a continuation of a buy, then we are looking at some type of continuation of a buy to 1.28790. That would be a perfect area for it to go clear this weekly liquidity up here, and then from a zone up here we most likely could be looking at a reversal back down for a sell, but we'll see how it plays out and I'll keep everybody updated. So yep, that about wraps it up. I hope everybody enjoyed this. If you'd like to get into my mentorship where I go over every major and minor pair with gold and some indices as well, then please hit me up in my Discord and get into that. If you'd like to get some payments off of your TradingView account, I have a link for my referral for TradingView in the description below as well. Also, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm giving out a lot of free pips here and it's only going to get better over the period of time. I know you might not see me do it every single day. It can be a daily update, but if the market doesn't move, then there's no point me doing a video if the market is in the exact same place as the previous video. So now we can see that there's some more movement that has happened in the market, and that's why I have done another video. So we're just waiting for it to continue moving, give us some nice trade entries, setups, etc., and then the videos are going to keep flowing. So on that note, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you. Thank you so much for your time, people. Peace.